Now to the history playing out inside a New York courtroom today. Jury selection has started for the first trial where a former president is facing felony charges.
Yeah, this is the so-called hush money case where Donald Trump is accused of falsifying business records to hide attempts to cover up an affair with an adult film star. As Jay Gray reports, the former president could be tied up in court for weeks.
Trump is not above the law.
With a handful of protesters gathered outside, former President Donald Trump arrives in Lower Manhattan, defiant as he enters the courtroom.
This is a persecution like never before. Nobody's ever seen anything like it. And again, it's a case that should have never been brought. It's an assault on America.
The trial opens with arguments over potential evidence. Judge Juan Marchand ruling the infamous Access Hollywood tape with Trump discussing grabbing women by their genitals won't be played in court, but prosecutors can use a portion of the transcript. A former Playboy model who alleges she had an affair with Trump will be allowed to testify, but the scope of that testimony will be limited. And National Enquirer stories attacking Trump's political opponents at the urging of the then candidate will be allowed as well. At one point, the judge chiding both sides, saying, quote, about 500 jurors are waiting on us. The process to select 12 panelists and 6 alternates will include questions about some of their political beliefs, prior knowledge of the case, and if they follow the former president on social media.
There will be an electricity when they first walk in the room, and perhaps the gravity of the moment hits them. At the end of the day, can you find a dozen people in New York City to be fair? Absolutely.
Though most acknowledge finding that jury could take some time. Jay Gray, NBC News, New York.
In 3